Imagine waking up in 2026 to a portfolio that's worth 10 times what you invested, all from stocks you bought under $50 today. Sound too good to be true? In a world of AI breakthroughs and economic shifts, it's actually possible. But which hidden gems could actually deliver 10 times returns? Today, I'm revealing 5 US-focused stocks with massive upside potential. By the end, you'll have a watch list that could change your financial future. Quick disclaimer. This is for education only, not financial advice. Stock investing involves serious risks, including losing all your money. Most investors miss these opportunities because they're afraid of stocks under 50 bucks. They think cheap stocks mean bad companies, but that's not always true. The real opportunity is finding quality companies before Wall Street notices them. So let's dive into 5 stocks that could explode by 2026. Number 5. Serve Robotics, ticker SERV. Picture a robot zipping food to your door. That's Serve's reality with Uber Eats and 7-Eleven. Last mile delivery market hits $150 billion. Regulatory wins in 2026 could 10x this. Number 4. NIO, ticker NIO. Powerhouse. Battery swapping stations let you swap instead of charge. 3-minute refuel, no waiting. European expansion plus ramping production. If tariffs ease, 2026 could be explosive. Number 3. Hims & Hers Health, ticker HIMS. 13.5 million subscribers getting telehealth for wellness and mental health. New weight management treatments launching. Healthcare going digital means explosive growth ahead. Number 2. Barrett Business Services, ticker BBSI. Handles payroll and HR for small businesses. 55% return on capital. As labor markets stabilize in 2026, client growth could skyrocket. Number 1. Samsara, ticker IoT. IoT King tracks fleets and equipment via cloud tech. 21% revenue growth projected. U.S. infrastructure spending boom means every fleet needs tracking. Digital transformation is here, trading at 24 times EBITDA. That's a value play for long-term investors. Here's what these 5 stocks have in common. They're riding unstoppable trends: robotics, EVs, telehealth, business services, and IoT. Remember, markets are volatile. These stocks could crash before they moon. Don't bet your rent money. Only invest what you can afford to lose completely. Diversify across all 5. Don't go all in on just one pick. Which one excites you most? Serve's robots, NIO's EVs, Hims telehealth? Drop a comment below and subscribe to Finance Unseen for more 2026 opportunities.